Lesson 2.2, Fractions, Introducing Improper Fractions. One batch of 12 muffins needs 2/3 cup of mashed banana. So Mike wants to make 2 batches, but he only has a 1/3 measuring cup. What can he do to measure the correct amount of banana for 2 batches of muffins? All he has to do is to measure it twice. Since he needs 2/3, he needs to measure 1/3 twice, 2 times. And we can show it on the number line by measuring it twice. The first one, 1/3, and the second one to make it 2/3 that he wants. And this is for 1 cup, and for the second cup, another 1/3 twice. So it needs 4/3. That is 1 cup and 1/3. So each rectangle shows 1 hole. Shade the part to show the same thinking. So we have to shade 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 portion. So we notice we have 4/3. An improper fraction has a numerator that is equal to or greater than the denominator. Example, 5/5 and 9/5 are both improper fractions. So let's go on to the workout for number 1. Each large shape is 1 whole. Write the fraction that is shaded. So for this, the fraction that is shaded is, we have each one is cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So the fraction that is shaded, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10/6. And part B, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9, 10, 11. 11/8. Number 2. Each large shape is 1 hole. Color the shapes to show each fraction. So we have 6/4. This is a hole. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to shade 6 of the fourths. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we shade as shown on the screen. Same goes for this. We shade 5 portion. We shade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts shaded. And number 3, on each number line, the distance from 0 to 1 is 1 whole. Write the fraction that should be in each box. Draw jumps to help you. So this is into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know it's split it into 6. Write the denominator. So this is 1, 2, 2, 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6. 5, 6, 7. 7, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 6. There you have it. Now part B. Let's say split it into how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a whole is split into 8. The denominator will be 8. Then what fraction is this? 1, 2, 3. 3 eighths. 4, 5, 6. 6 eighths. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 8. 11, 12. 12 eighths. Now let's go on to number 4. Use the fractions you wrote on the number lines above. Part A, list the fractions that are less than 1. The ones that are less than 1 are the ones that the numerator is less than the denominator. So 2, 6 is less than 1. 2, 6. 5, 6. This is more than 1. This also is more than a whole. So let's continue here. It's not up to 6, so we write 3 eighths. 6 eighths. This is more than 1 already. So now part B, list the fractions that are greater than 1 but less than 2. So we have 7 6, 10 6, 10 8, and 12 8. Now for the fast finishers, complete each equation. So 1/4 or 1/4, adding them together would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/4. Next, 1/3. Adding 1/3 together will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6/3. Now let's go on to the practice 2.2. Practice 2.2, number 1. Each large shape is 1/0. Write the fraction that is shaded. So we have the shape splitted into 4 equal parts. So the denominator will be 4. And how many parts are shaded? We have 4, 5. 5/4. Part B, splitted into 6. So the denominator will be 6. And how many parts shaded? 6, 7, 8. 8. Part C, splitted into 8. So the denominator will be 8. And how many parts are shaded? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 of 8 are shaded. Now let's go on to number 2. Each large shape is 1/0. Color the shapes to show each fraction. So the parts to be colored be shown. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the ones to be shaded. So the parts to be shaded are shown on the screen. Now part B, 11/4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 to be shaded. So we have 11. Now number 3. On the number line, the distance from 0 to 1 is whole number. Write the fraction that should be in each box. Draw jumps to help you. So we say 1 is splitted into 1, 2, 3, 4. So the denominator will be 4. So here we have from 0, 1, 2, 2 splits. Here we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6/4. 7, 8, 9, 9/4. 10, 11, 11/4. There you have it. Compare your work with the answers here and do your correction as appropriate.